This video is designed to guide you through the process of using the dashboard filters effectively, empowering you to make the most of its features. The Filter tab displayed on every report dashlet reveals the runtime filters applied to the current dashlet. You can modify the existing filters on this tab, but you cannot add new ones. To edit the filter, simply click the funnel icon on the dashlet and make the desired changes. Click the Apply button to apply any changes you have made. You may have noticed that some dashlet runtime filters are blocked. That's because they are already being used in the dashboard filters. To view dashboard filters, click the Dashboard Filters button, the funnel icon, in the upper right corner of the dashboard to open the Dashboard Filters panel. It is important to understand how dashboard filters impact the filters used during a dashlet's runtime. Dashboard filters allow users to apply filters across all dashlets within a dashboard, while runtime filters allow individual dashlets to have their own unique set of filters. Understanding how these filters interact is crucial for correctly displaying and interpreting data within the dashboards. To see which dashlets are affected by the dashboard filters, just hover over the Dashboard Filter group in the Dashboard Filters panel. This highlights the group and the dashlets that are affected by that particular dashboard filter. Keep in mind that the names of the filters on the dashboard and the runtime filters may not always match. However, if they both refer to the same sugar data, any changes made to the dashboard filters will be reflected in the runtime filters as well. Please note that other dashlets in your dashboard may be affected even if they are out of view on the screen. If you want to make changes, simply adjust the dashboard filter in the Dashboard Filters panel according to your needs, and then click Apply to apply changes to all configured dashlets. Dashboard filters are a powerful tool that can significantly enhance your sugar experience. Thank you for watching.